Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bowers Wilkins Px8 McLaren Edition headphones, and I'm going to show you how to change your NFC level in your app. Let's get started. To do this, you just have to open our app and turn on our headphones. Now we have to go into settings and click on our headphones. Now we just have to wait a moment. And as you can see, environment console, there's noise cancellation, pass-through and off. We can choose noise cancellation, off and pass-through. We can do the same with the button that is located here. That's it. Hope it helps you. Like and subscribe, and goodbye.